Hello friends, welcome back to my new video. Today in this video I am going to tell you that how to download tally.erp 9 in your computer. So, let's go. Open Chrome browser in your computer. Type tally.erp latest version in search box, then search it. Click in the first link, which name is called Tally Solutions. Now scroll down with mouse. Then click on previous version link. Scroll down and click here. Now from here you can select previous version of tally.erp 9. Now click on install option. Now after downloading, click on Show in Folder. Then double-click on Setup. Click on Yes option. Click on Install option. Now tally.erp 9 is downloaded.